So how do you look at all emails on your iPhone? So let me show you exactly how you can approach this. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So as you can tell, if I go to my settings and find the Mail app and find the accounts, I'm both logged in with iCloud email as well as Gmail into the one application. So if you want to browse all of the emails combined, this is what you can do. So I'm going to go to the home screen and find the Mail app as usual, right? And I might be, for example, in this inbox section. But if you want to just go to the categories and see all emails, just tap the left arrow in the top corner as such. You essentially want to get to this mailboxes section. And the way that it's separated is that we have the iCloud folders, then Gmail folders, but at the top entirely, we have it all sort of combined, right? So the point is that I can either browse the inbox from iCloud or inbox from the Gmail, but if I want to see it all together, I'm going to click on all inboxes at the top, and this is how I'm going to be able to browse all emails from all addresses added to this Mail app. What I could also do is that I could click on the edit button and make sure that all things are going to show up, right? For instance, you can see that some of the things are unchecked, meaning that they are not like visible. So if I want to browse all sent emails, I want to make sure this menu or this folder also is selected and that it will show up. This applies to, for example, all archived, all drafts, trash, and junk, right? So it is up to me to decide which folders are visible, but essentially you want to have the all inboxes, which you click on, you can see about like 12,000 emails, right? So literally all of them put together in one scrollable format. So that's how you can see all of your emails on the iPhone. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think about it below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later.